Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use text effects on iPhone iOS 18. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone running iOS 18. Next, navigate to an iMessage chat, personal chat, or group chat. The effects are not available in non-iMessage chats though. Now type your text message as usual. Then if you want to apply the effects to a particular word, phrase, emoji from the message, select it. Otherwise, the effect would be applied to the entire text. Then tap the text effects icon, an A with 3 stacked lines from the keyboard. The menu for text effects will open. There are 8 animated effects in total, and you can choose from effects like explode, boom, shake, jitter, nod, etc. in addition to the bold, italics, etc. options. Tap on the effect you want to apply. You can also apply multiple effects in a single message. Then tap the send button. The message will be sent with the effects. The other user must be on iOS 18 or above to see the effects. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.